Did you know the average person visits a coffee shop over 3 times a week? But imagine walking into a Paris café and you can't even order a coffee. Don't worry. Today, you'll learn how to do exactly that with Ro in real French conversations. Bonjour, the barista greeted. Bonjour, ça va? Ro responded. Très bien, merci. Et vous? The barista replied. Ça va bien, merci, Ro answered. In France, bonjour is your magic word. Never skip it. It's considered rude to start talking without saying hello. Ça va means, how's it going? And et vous is the polite version of and you? Est-ce que je peux m'asseoir ici? Ro asked politely. Bien sûr, the barista replied. Here's a super polite question you can use anywhere. Est-ce que je peux m'asseoir ici? Literally, can I sit here? French people appreciate polite phrasing, so adding est-ce que softens your tone. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît, Ro said. Un café simple? The barista asked. Oui, s'il vous plaît, Ro replied. Je voudrais means I would like. It's more polite than je veux, I want. And s'il vous plaît is please, literally, if it pleases you. Always say it. Combien ça coûte? Ro asked. 3,50 €, the barista replied. Combien ça coûte is a must-know. Combien means how much, and ça coûte means it costs. Easy. Et un croissant aussi, s'il vous plaît, Ro requested. Très bon choix, the barista responded. Croissants are France's breakfast pride. The word croissant actually means crescent. Fun fact, locals rarely pronounce the T, say croissant, not croissant. Voici, Ro said, handing over the money. The barista replied, Merci beaucoup. Ro answered cheerfully, Avec plaisir. When handing money or your card, say Voici. Here you go. Reply to merci with avec plaisir. It literally means with pleasure, and it sounds very natural in France. The barista asked, Vous êtes en vacances? Which means, are you on vacation? Ro replied, Oui. Je découvre Paris, meaning, yes, I'm exploring Paris. The barista responded, Ah, la plus belle ville du monde, which translates to, Ah, the most beautiful city in the world. Ro agreed, saying, Absolument, a short, confident, and charming way to say absolutely. Small talk is part of French culture. Vous êtes en vacances means, are you on vacation? And je découvre Paris means, I'm exploring Paris. Try adding absolument. It's short, confident, and charming. Vous voulez un café serré? The barista asked. Oui, pourquoi pas? Ro replied. Whoa, that's stronger than my Wi-Fi signal, Ro said, surprised. In France, a café serré is super strong, smaller.